Okay. You need to find the radius of the circle to the nearest tenth, given this triangle, the equilateral triangle inside the circle. And I'll just give you the equation. Its radius equal to the side length divided the square root of 3. In this case, side length would be 8. But I don't like just giving you the equation. I want to show you like why that works. So for now, just put that in the calculator. 8 divided by the square root of 3. That gives us 4.6. So we know the answer is C. But I want to show you why that is. So if we zoom in on the triangle here, we can break the triangle in half by drawing a line to the center. Imagine that's the center. And we see we're given two right triangles on both sides, and we see that the base is now cut into half. It'd be 4 and 4. But the thing is, you can do that from any angle. So now if we were to remove the lines and we drew that from this bottom angle right here, we see that it's also still the same two equal, if the line was drawn correctly, the two equal right angles, with this being equal to 4 and this also being equal to 4. And now that we have this, we need to find this triangle, or the height of this triangle right here. And since it's an equilateral triangle, and it's cutting down by the center, this straight line, which is 180 degrees, is now two 90-degree angles. And since we know each of these is equal to 60 degrees, if you were to cut it in half, it'd be equal to 30. So now we're getting 30 degrees and 90 degrees. And since each triangle must add up to 180, this center is equal to 60 degrees. Now drawing a 60-30 triangle, the relatives of each side are always equal to 1, square root of 3, and 2. And now to get from square root of from the square root of 3 to the hypotenuse, you take your calculator. Oh, you could do square root of 3 or the 2 divided by the square root of 3, and we're given this number. So now imagine you take square root of 3 and you multiply it by that number. You see that we get the hypotenuse. So now in this case, in our actual real life scenario, we know that our bottom angle, or our bottom side for this angle, is a 4, not a square root of 3. And now to convert that 4 into the hypotenuse, you just multiply it again by that number. There, give that 3, change it to a 4, and we get 4.68, which is the same thing as if you did 8 divided by the square root of 3. And that's how you get to 4.6.